In mining and healthcare, even small slowdowns can impact safety and disrupt operations. With outdated processes, staying aligned becomes even harder. That's when the need for a smarter, automated system becomes undeniable. Hello, I am Debbie, and welcome to the walkthrough of a complete compliance and workforce management platform built for our client. Our Australia-based client struggled with scattered information. Certificates, licenses, and project details were stored in basic files and shared through emails or meetings, making everything slow to access and easy to miss. Realizing these manual processes were holding back their mining and healthcare operations, they knew they needed a proper workforce management software. That's when they approached us for a more streamlined, automated solution. And to address the client's issues, our team at Zealous developed a subscription-based platform to boost efficiency and compliance. Let's take a closer look at the video demo of workforce management software. Once a company registers, chooses a subscription plan, and completes payment, it receives secure login access. What you're seeing now is the company dashboard, a real-time snapshot of the most critical compliance indicators. Non-compliant users, expiring soon, pending approvals, total employees, active projects, and contractor details. All the essentials, right where the management team needs them. A non-compliant user is someone missing a mandatory document. They cannot be assigned to any site. Similarly, expiring soon flags any certificate nearing expiry so the admin can act before the deadline hits. Everything is designed to prevent operational risks long before they reach the field. Let's move into the company profile. This section hosts the company overview, team members, and address details. You'll also see the account holder, typically the person who owns the subscription, and the company administrators. New admins can be added with a single click. Business documents can be uploaded here. Subscription plans can be managed, billing details updated, and every user action is tracked in the activity log for full traceability. Next, we have projects. These represent the mining sites a company operates. A company can create new projects, manage existing ones, or view sites assigned by other organizations. Completed projects can be marked as inactive for clean record keeping. Employees are where the workforce lives. This is the full roster. Active users, pending users, and inactive users who are no longer associated with the company. Transfers between projects are effortless. Select an employee, choose the project, and allocate them instantly. You can search, filter, add employees through email invites or manual creation, and export the entire list in CSV format. Contractors are handled with the same clarity. A mining company may not always have enough workforce to staff a site. In those moments, they bring in contractors. Contractors are invited into the system, and once they accept the email invite, they manage their workers just like the parent company does. Now let's move to the heart of the platform, the onboarding modules. Onboarding shows the complete list of certificates, covering mandatory and non-mandatory requirements. Quick onboarding displays only the mandatory certificates for rapid workforce deployment. The matrix layout makes compliance visual and intuitive. Projects on top, employees on the left, and document statuses across the grid. Each color tells a story. Green means approved and compliant. Yellow indicates a certificate is about to expire. Red means a mandatory document is missing. This user cannot work on a site. Purple represents the supervisor approval stage. Blue means awaiting final authorizer approval. A white box shows a non-mandatory certificate that hasn't been uploaded. A gray dot means a non-mandatory certificate is uploaded but doesn't affect compliance. Uploading a document is simple. Select the cell, enter the details, upload, and submit. Admins can even customize mandatory requirements per employee. Filters help narrow down employees quickly, especially for large teams. Quick onboarding functions exactly the same way, but with only the critical mandatory documents. Let's take a look at Induction. Induction documents represent training records uploaded by company admins or users themselves. Every document is stored against the correct project, making audits effortless. Daily task works similarly. Admins or users upload a daily task sheet documenting the work completed on site. Announcements are where the company can broadcast important messages system-wide. Create an announcement. Choose the employees. Filter by company, project, or role, and send. Announcements appear immediately on each user's dashboard, ensuring high visibility. Now let's switch to the personal user profile. A user can toggle between their company profile and personal profile effortlessly. They can even create and manage their own companies if they choose, each supported by its own subscription. The personal profile shows an individual's certificates, expiry dates, upcoming renewals, overview details, and activity log. Their dashboard contains quick links to upload certificates, submit induction documents, request project access, or upload daily tasks. The system also generates automated to-do items based on what's missing from their profile. Finally, the certificates section gives each user a clean view of their compliance status. Every mandatory document can be uploaded right from here. With all these components in place, here's how the platform came together step by step. We kicked off the project with in-depth client briefing sessions to understand their goals, challenges, and training requirements. Based on these discussions, we prepared a clear and detailed scope document to keep the project direction consistent. Our team then moved on to creating wireframes, giving the client a visual blueprint of the system's structure and user flow. Once the wireframes were approved, we proceeded to system development, building a customized and scalable solution using PHP, MySQL, and the Laravel framework. After development was finalized, the platform went through thorough testing to ensure reliability, smooth performance, and a seamless user experience. This completes the tour, a powerful solution to manage projects, companies, employees, contractors, and all the compliance documentation the mining industry depends on. We're glad to have built a platform that streamlines training and look forward to building more innovative solutions by Zealous System.